are getting into term 2 of mathematics. In this term, you have 6 lessons. Now, Unit 1. Now, Unit 1 Geometry. So, what is geometry? In your earlier classes, you already learnt about shapes. Am I correct? Square, triangle, circle, star, and rectangle, hexagon, diamond. So, these are the shapes you already learnt in your earlier classes. Now, we are going to discuss about 2D shapes and 3D shapes, and also differentiate between 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Listen here. So, differentiate between 2D and 3D shapes. First, we are going to learn about what is 2D shapes. 2D shapes. 2D shapes have 2 dimensions. How many dimensions? 2 dimensions. Length and height. Okay. And 2D geometry is also called as plane geometry. Okay. Listen here. 2D shape. And 2D shapes have 2 dimensions, length and height. 2D geometry is also called as plane geometry. Let's see. See here, this is the figure. That means image of 2D shape. See, it's a square and a rectangle. See here, length and height. Okay, and rectangle also length and height. Next, examples of 2D shapes. See here, square, rectangle, triangle, circle, pentagon, hexagon, and quadrilateral. So these are some examples of 2D shapes. Now, see here, the images are. What is the images? It looks like a 2D shapes. Very good. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle, parallelogram and hexagon. Okay children? Now, examples of 2D shapes in our real life. Listen children, 2D shape and 3D. So, both shapes are most related in our day-to-day life. So see, what is this? Yeah, very good. Chessboard. And what is this? Yeah, what is the envelope cover? It is a envelope cover. And this is your note. Okay. So these are some example of 2D shapes. Next, 3D shapes. 3D shapes have 3-dimensional. How many dimensions? 3 dimensions, namely length, height and width. Tell me again, length, height and width. 2D shape have how many dimensions? 2 dimensions, length and breadth. Here, length, height and width. Okay children? So, 3D geometry is also called as solid geometry. 3D geometry is also called as solid geometry. So 2D geometry is also called as, yeah, very good, plane geometry. See the figure, 3D shape, length and width, then height. Length, width and height. Okay. So next, examples of 3D shapes. Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and prism. Now I will show the picture. See, this is cube and this is cuboid and this is cylinder. Okay children? Okay. Now, so these are the some difference between 2D shape and 3D shape. Now we are going to learn about iterative patterns in shapes. Okay? Listen here. Miss, what is iterative pattern? Listen here. Iterative patterns in shapes. We see patterns in trees. Am I correct? Yeah. Trees, rivers, and mountains, shells, clouds, leaves and more. Iteration is a repeated application of process, a repeated process. Iteration means it is a repeated process. Okay. Here we are going to see how we use the shapes to form iterative patterns. So in this topic we are going to discuss about iterative patterns, how it forms. Okay children? Okay, listen. And able to draw circles, spirals and ovals. Here listen, in the early classes you already learned about how to draw circles, ovals and all you have to already learned. So now we are going to discuss about circle. This is a circle. And what is this? Yeah, this is spiral. It's called spiral. It is a repeated process. So it is called spiral. And this is oval shape. What is this? Oval shape. Listen here. Now one activity is given in your book. Draw the above shapes and color it. We have to do this activity. Draw the above shape. Draw a circle, spiral, oval and then color it. Okay? I'll just work on the activity here. You just refer it. See, it's a circle. I color it. And you also draw a circle, then color it. See the spiral and oval. The next one is what is this? Yeah, this is rangoli. And what is this? Lollipop. What is this? Flower. Very good. And this is also lollipop and rangoli. So what it shows? It shows a spiral shapes or iterative. What it shows? It shows iterative shapes. Okay children? Okay, now next. Spirograph. Now we are move on to spirograph. Miss, what is spirograph? It's nothing but spirograph is a geometrical drawing. Okay, geometrical drawing that produces mathematical curves. See here, take a sheet of paper, keep the sellotape on it, and make 2 or 3 holes in the bottle cap. Okay, first what you have to do? Take a sheet of paper. Then keep the sellotape on it. Make 2 or 3 holes in the bottle cap. Next, keep the bottle cap inside the sellotape. Look at here. And insert the pencil inside the hole of the bottle cap. Hold the sellotape firmly. Then draw the spirograph by dragging the pencil here and there inside the sellotape. We will get the spirograph picture. Okay, now let's see the one video so you can able to understand this concept easily. See, using sellotape and water bottle cap, then pen. They are using spirograph drawing. See, it is a spirograph drawing. And so you have to try at your home children. Now, next, so these are the most famous, the most important example of spirograph. And try this. Complete the patterns using the given shape and shade with your own color. That is your choice. Okay. Now see, I have done this activity. You just try at your home. Next, differentiate and compare the shapes and drawing. See, these are all spirographs, but they have some different shapes. So that's why differentiate and compare the shapes are drawn here. Okay, children? Next, to explore visual examples of repeated patterns. What is that? Visual examples of repeated patterns. See here, cactus is the example for oval shaped pattern. So what is this? This is cactus. This is an example for oval shaped pattern. And the next one, shell of a snail. The shell of the snail is here. See here, the shell of the snail is the example for spiral shaped pattern. And next one, see, bangle represent the circle shaped pattern. And the next one, here few visual examples of patterns in the surroundings are given. See here now, what is this? This is rangoli, very good. And this is a spirograph. So this is also some of the rangoli shape. Okay. See the second one, complete the patterns given below. See here, one circle is there and then spring, and again circle, spring, and again circle, again spring. So what comes next? Yeah, very good. Circle and then spring. Very good. Okay, next. See the second one. Here, one oval shape and one circle shape. And the next one oval shape and two circle shape. The next one oval shape and three circle shape. What comes next? Very good. One oval shape and four circle shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next one oval shape and 5 circle shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See the next one, third one. Here, first red color circle, then green color. Again red color, green color. Again red color. So what comes next? Very good, green color. So you have to draw green color circle. So next, what comes next? A red color. So red color circle. Yeah, you have to color neatly. Okay. Okay. So this is the second one. Third one answer. See the fourth one. The shapes have, first one is a vertical shape, vertical oval shape, then horizontal oval shape, then vertical, next horizontal, next vertical, and next what comes next? Very good. Horizontal. Okay, and then next what comes next? Very good. Vertical oval shape. And finally, last question. Draw a simple rangoli. Use your own creativity to fill the side. Okay, to fill this page. And here you have to create your own rangoli style. Okay, if you want any help, you ask from your mother also. It is so very interesting. Okay, don't skip this and have to work out at your home. Okay children, thank you. We will see you on next class.